beautiful stern wheeler was built for Harbour Cruises at Allied Shipyards in North Vancouver and was launched in July of 1983. You're aboard Vancouver's only authentic paddle wheeler. The paddle wheel on the stern of our ship is the only means of propulsion as we cruise around the harbor at a comfortable speed of 5 knots or about 10 kilometers per hour. This vessel was modeled after early British Columbian paddle wheelers and is named after the Canadian Constitution Act of 1982, which gave Canada full and final independence from the United Kingdom.
I think I'll go ahead with PD. Are you able to send one email with the options that you told me last time?
Vancouver is a temperate rainforest and was incorporated April 6th of 1886. In 1791, Europeans reached this part of the world while searching for an entrance to the so-called Northwest Passage. The Spanish were the first to arrive, but it was British Captain George Vancouver who made it into the inner harbor the following year. He named this place the Burrard Channel after his Navy friend Sir Harry Burrard. In 1858, the Fraser River Gold Rush brought around 30,000 American prospectors into the province, and fearing a takeover, the British established the colony of British Columbia. We are currently traveling through the waters of Cole Harbor. Once a popular spot amongst the Squamish peoples for fishing herring, it gained its name from the underwater coal deposits discovered here in the 1850s. Captain George Richards, despite reports showing the coal was unusable, named this site and gave the name Coal Peninsula to what is now known as Stanley Park. Richard Street in Vancouver's downtown core is named to honor his early surveying efforts. Your eyes on the waters here, you may see float planes taking off and landing. Many of these float planes belong to Harbour Air, the world's largest seaplane airline. We've just started to test electric-powered planes in Vancouver's harbour with flights between Vancouver International Airport and Canada Place. All planes connect downtown Vancouver to islands and communities along the coast, including British Columbia's capital city, Victoria. On the starboard, we're passing a building with a grass roof. This is the expansion of the Vancouver Convention Centre. This building triples the size of the original and they now share 500,000 square feet of meeting space, and this is one of the largest conference spaces in the country. 6-acre living roof is the largest in Canada and the largest non-industrial living roof in North America. The killer whale sculpture you see is called Digital Orca and was designed by local author and artist Douglas Coupland. He's best known for his novels Generation X, Microsurfs, and J-Pod. The large blue raindrop sculpture you see on the left corner of the building was designed to symbolize the importance of water to human life. It also serves as a joke about the amount of rainfall we receive here in Vancouver, which is about 57 inches per year. Just on our right is Canada Place. Known locally as the Five Sails, this is the original Vancouver Convention Centre and also home to 4-star Pan Pacific Hotel, Port of Vancouver, and the World Trade Center. It also serves as our main cruise ship terminal, as Vancouver is the leading home port to Alaska and the only gateway through Canada's Inside Passage. Last year, the Port of Vancouver welcomed 36 different vessels carrying more than 810,000 passengers on 307 sailings. Canada Place was built in 1985 on the historic Canadian Pacific Railway Pier. CPR Empress ships departed from these docks in the early 1900s, carrying passengers and